guys, I'm Sarah. Today I'm happy and honored to have this opportunity to represent all my colleagues to show you around and give a brief introduction of our company. The name of our company is Zhenheng Construction Equipment Co. Limited. It was founded in 1982. Now we have developed into 3 production bases, cover around 70,000 square meters, have more than 300 employees. We can produce the concrete pump, concrete block machines, concrete mixers. And today we are going to visit the oldest production base, mainly produce the concrete mixers, like the stationary concrete batching plant, different kind of mobile concrete batching plant. The maximum capacity of the mixers we can offer is 360 cubic meters per hour. Okay, now let's move inside. In front of us, this is the office block. I call it the head of our factory because most strategies and plans are made here. Most management departments are working inside, like the sales, the accounting, the R&D, and the HR are here. And I would invite you to enter in the lobby, have a look of the photos wall first, then we are going to the R&D department. Let's move. All these are the photos of visitors in recent 5 years. They are from Pakistan, Russia, Uzbekistan, Thailand, and many other countries and regions. We are happy that we were trusted by so many customers from the whole world. This is a sweet memory with them and prove our sound relationship with the established customers. It proves that we are so successful at the international market. And we hope that we can do more business with the customers from the whole world. And now let's go to the production base. Based on our managed system, everybody should wear the helmet for safety. Let's move. I will give you the helmet first.